Switch come on. Switch came up. Okay. So, my plan is to implement the map. I think I wrote my goals kinda backwards. First thing I need is the plan itself. What exactly does my map? What exactly my map implements? Oh fuck. English is not my first language yet. Okay. So the first things first. I need to list all the things I want from the map, and I need to figure out whether should I use whether I should implement the map myself or should I use the tile maps from that are built in Godot. Oh, wait. I already have some notes here. Okay. By the way, how does it look? It looks horrible. I probably should increase a little bit more. A little bit. Editor font. Nice 25? 25. Let's see. Yeah, 25 is fine. Okay. 25 is fine. Let me first read whatever I wrote already. Animation mechanics. Enemy behavior. Okay, it's a general plan. Map and terrain. Implement the tile-based map with various terrain types. Each tile should have its own properties that can be called and modified. Okay, I remember this a little bit, and it's more on the technical side of things. Let's see. Map structure, come up with a way to represent the map in code. How to store it in a file. Result, I should have a file format for the map. Figures out. Next, implement the loading of the map from a file. Again, if I will use tile maps from Godot, I don't need it. Then tile parameters and terrain types. Terrain tiles work like presets of the tile parameters. Okay, this is about each type of a tile. So, for example, I have a plains, I have forests, and they have some parameters that are common between all plains and all forests. I think Dota does not work like that. I think I will have to have multiple layers of tiles, and I'll have to basically paint the same map again, but specifically for the properties of each tile on the map. I would want to avoid that, but we'll see. Okay, then interface to interact with the map in code, request tiled. Okay, this is purely technical. So what exactly can we do with the map? Let's write it right here, I think. With the tiles, specifically. Parameters. Where should I put it? Tile parameters, right. Terrain, first of all. Here are problems with semantics, because I already called terrain types in the here. Whatever, we'll rewrite it later. Okay, terrain types. What types do we currently have? I think I already made some assets from it. Yes. Okay, I have plains, I have forests, I have rivers, I have mountains. So 4 of them. Forest, mountain, and river. It's other. Okay, that's other. What else? Thank you, Copilot. Okay, movement cost. How much time it takes to move? Not steal the file, to the tile. Right? Let me check it. Okay. Yes, that's right. It's time. It's time. Units should have to take to move to another tile. And it's the cost when you choose it as a target. Right. Movement cost. Okay. Visibility reduction, I'll call it. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Copilot, again. Weather effect, that's for a far future. Why the fuck do you know this so? Oh, okay, I have weather here, okay. I think we're fine for now. What else? It also has it has resources. How much? Okay, interactive objects. Okay, for now, all we need is rain type and movement cost. Visibility reduction will implement it later. So, earthy, movement cost. Here we how was it called? Map. Tile map layer, I think. Tile map. It's deprecated and we should use tile map layer. Okay. We'll adjust some things. I think I already started with it. Yes, I started with it. Tile map. I watched the video and I just... Oh my god, it works. For some reason it didn't work last time. Probably because I was in a tile set. No? Whatever. Okay, so we just paint over it, I guess. Where's the frame? There should be there should be frame borders, but they're not here. Strange. Okay, let's just do it this way. Let's see. It works. However, I'm not sure if it's all the tiles. Probably not. Probably not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 4. Okay. We probably have to implement the camera, but there's no time for this for now, so later. Let's delete everything we don't need. We need this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that. Oh. Just to see the borders. Okay. Wait, what? There's some new space here. What if I close it like this and open again? No. Can I see what is there? Like this. Let's see. Yeah. I miscalculated. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 9 is fine too. 9 by 5. Like that. Nice and simple. Okay, that works, I guess. The question is, how can I save it? First of all, play that, and then tell my player. Okay, I don't see anything. Let's ask Google. File not layer. File to this file. Yeah, thanks, Captain. Get tile map data as array inside tile. Okay. I think that's what I need. Let me check real quick. Okay. Okay. Identify persistent objects. Should identify what objects we want to keep between the game sessions and what information we want to keep from these objects. For this tutorial, we'll use rules to mark and handle objects to be saved. Okay. Serialize the data. This makes it much easier to read from and stop to disk. Okay. Persistence instance node and thus has a path. What? Each member of group persists. Okay, is an instance node. Thus has a path. Has the helper class. Convert between dictionary and string. Node needs to contain a save function that returns this data. The save function will look like this. Okay, if I what do you mean by instanced node? Whatever. Not path. Reference to a node, you'll repeat it. Okay, you mean it's in the same. Okay. Get nodes in group. Now we can call let's say function with each node. Okay, that looks like a dumb idea because I will need to structure my whole project around having a particular group. Or wait a minute. They don't mean the parent. They mean a group. Metadata. No, I don't think so. Node. Add. Okay. Persist. And we just let's call it safe manager, whatever. Oh, safe manager. Save manager. Save nodes, get tree, get nodes and group persist. And just copy paste it. What? No. Don't get ahead of yourself. Which node? Okay. Okay, so So we need our classes to implement some kind of interface that allows them to save themselves and load profile. But here's the problem. The Elma player is a library class, so we don't have access to it. And also there's no interfaces per se. Dismiss. Okay, we can probably make some kind of wrapper. I think I'm starting to think like enterprise developer again. That's not very good for a prototype. What else can I do? What do they here? Not in safe notes. Notes sync file path is empty. This is not a to thing. In file path, what is this? File path. Original scene file path. If do not has been instantiated from a packet scene file. Only scene root nodes contain this. Okay. Only scene. What does it mean? Like if we instantiate it during client time, it's not there, I suppose. And I like this even less now. Let's just, let's not. Let's make a wrapper around the layer. What? Oh, right. Elma player. Whereafter we can just add a script, right? So we'll add a script. And this script will have, yeah, sure. Realism. Should I do this? Let her think. Serializable means that we will need to implement the serialize function with all extents from it, but we can't guarantee that there will multi-inheritance, right? The phrase class. And here I then start this. Well, I guess we can just check for a method serialize. If it's present, we just call it. Is it clean? Not really. But it's a prototype, whatever. It's a prototype. Not getting ahead of ourselves. So we don't need this. But not clear. By the way, we still need to figure out how do we store the parameters for the tiles on the map. And I think we can make a parent node that has the script for civilization to civilization, and it will initialize all of the layers with a single JSON map, and then load separate file for things like items, resources, etc., and custom properties for particular tiles. I think that sounds good. I think that's good. Okay. So it's not even map layer. I say it's more like map. Yep. Just download map root. Just map. This one will be called terrain. And this will be called just map. Map road. Why not? Map route. Fuck. Map route. Okay. Map route. Let's touch it to the map. More about that. Okay. Okay. This class describes contains methods to interact with the layers of the map in an abstract way. Okay. Serialize the map. Plus for now. Save the map to a file. This method saves all map layers to files, to multiple files. The rain file. That's to rain tiles. Describe common properties of the tile. There's spread between it spread between layers. Contains Furnish tile. Okay. Uh, Regarding resources, I think the problem is I forgot another thing. Trails file. Trails on every tile. Right. The trails file and the resources file, I think, two the most problematic ones. Let's see. With the trails, I think we can store not each. We can either store an array of tiles with their coordinates, and for each tile we can describe a list of trails that are present on this tile, or we can do it the other way around. We can store links of trails that list the tiles across which this trail goes, like that. The problem with the second approach, I think, is that we need to scan all trails to find data for a particular tile. On the other hand, there's no other hand. The best approach will be to store data about tiles, not about trails. Well, I mean, store trails attached to the tiles, like that. Yeah. Okay. With resources, I think that's the same thing. Yeah. We will need to read the help files anyway, and there's not really a way to make this simpler. Yeah, we should try it. Trails file describes trails on every tile. Okay. Interactive objects are more scarce, so we can just list interactive objects and their location. Okay, let's make it more presentable. Realize to wait. Let's see what you want here. I'll open user map terrain first. Right. Start what? No. We don't do it this way. Let's see what the docs say about this. We need to access particular where is it? Here it is. Okay, terrain. It's called terrain. So we just, I think I forgot how does it work. Oh, sorry, Mr. Goddard. Like that? Like that. Okay. Like that. So, terrain. Good. Oh, thank you. And home page. Let's do 4 ratings. Let's open. Okay, there's multiple of them. That's worse. Okay. This is script. Oh, nice. What's it called again? Yet. Tile map data as array. Let's see what it does. It doesn't say. Now if we click it right here, it should the raw map tile. The raw tile map data is a byte array. The returned array is copied and any changes to it will not update the original property value. See whatever. But there's a set. Oh, why there's a set if it's the returned, okay, the returned array. Okay. So we just get it. And like, let's see. File access provides methods for file reading and writing operations. This class can be used to permanently store data in the user's device file system and to read from it. This is useful for storing game-safe data or playing traditional files. Okay. File access open with this access and store. Okay, we can do it. So it's file access open. User array dot. It's a byte array, right? Okay, sure. Why not that? What the fuck is that, by the way? Data file that contains specific information about the program used to create it. This file always has the .dat file. Generic format that can contain any information, video, audio. Okay. What are I want to? Yeah, by the way, open creates a new file access object and opens the file for writing or reading, depending on the flex. I don't know if opening the file failed. You can use get open error to check the error that occurred. Okay. If file is not failed, yeah, sure. Here's a button, log the error. There properly. Yes, for now. But rain data. Fuck. Oh. Yeah, sure. You both. Come on. Why don't you? Alright. Okay. Well, actions. Usage. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. The fuck? That is concerning. Wait, why is your broadcast here? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I think that's fine. But we'll see. A1 and A2. Okay, that's fine. What was I doing? Okay. Activity feed? No. Chart. Okay. Save map. Open. Right access. Store buffer. Well, store buffer. Okay. Print data. What does it do? Store the given array of bytes in the file. Okay, makes sense. What do you want? Fields return type can be specified as packed byte array. Okay. Okay, but I don't need this. Sure. Sure. Okay. This should be enough. Let's print GitHub, come on. Print data save to file. Okay. Here. Come on. I'll read it. Deserialize terrain. Let's see. Open. Here's the map. Terrain.dat. Oh, why is it white? Okay. Read. Load the error properly. Okay. File. Get file as bytes. What? I don't need to open it. Okay. File access. Get file as bytes. Path map data. Yeah, sure. Later. For now, it's just that's really strange. Okay, whole param path file contents is a packed byte array without any decoding. Returns an empty packed byte array with an error code. While opening, okay. Let's not do that. There's probably another way. File. What do you need? Okay, let's there are consts. Right. Const terrain file. One sec. Okay. Here's the terrain file. Terrain file. Okay. File. Let's see. get buffer. This one is returns the next length bytes of the file is a packed byte array. Okay, that's almost what we need. Later. Okay. Get file is bytes. I think along those lines. Here it is. Get file as bytes. Alright? Why not? Not found. Because file access. Why would you do this? Why? Why would you do this? I'm curious. Okay. File access, get file as bytes. What was it? Path. Okay, to run file. And this should work by itself. Okay, I need a little break. Okay. We have these two methods. We should probably test them somehow. Well, let me see. Hmm. Okay, makes it. Mm-hmm. Rectification. What? If. What is notification? WM close request. Serialize map. Get 3. Quit. This way we test only the serialize map function, but it should be enough for now because we need to see how exactly does it start. Maybe we need another format for the map more readable, like a JSON, I think, maybe. It's kinda... yeah. Why not? Okay, let's see. Reload. Now the question is, where the fuck is this path? User map terrain. Documents, maybe? No. App data? No. Okay, let's just Google it. User path. Stable version, please. Tab projects game. See projects game. Projects. What? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Resources. Come on. User. Update loadout. Loadout. Okay, it's up data. Local? Loadout? No. Let's debug it. What was the button? Return. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Okay. I need to check the errors right now. Get up an error. Come on. This should be good enough. Wait, reload. Let's go. Output. Nothing in the output. Really? Again? Pulse 7. What the fuck is cause 7? Fuck. Okay. That's stupid. Um, okay, 7. File not found. You think? Okay. How about you create it? There are some flags. Oh no, it's disk flags. No, it's not it. Okay. Alright. Okay. What? Okay. I guess. What? The file is created if it does not exist. I'm creating a file, it must be in already existing. That's the problem. That's the problem. No necessary intermediate directories. There's path by calling method make zero recursively. This argument can be relative to the current directory or an absolute path. Okay. Returns one of the error code constants. Okay. Okay. So not just that. Where dir access something recursive there. Make dir recursive. Okay, Okay, open. Just open. Okay, open. Here's our map. That's the path, right? Const save dir user save map, and this should be save dir last render. Like that. So, save dir. If dir is not null and dir exists, what should be why? Use the access object and open as an existing returns null if opening the directory failed. You can use OK again. It's kind of difficult. Okay. Dear, something recursive. Make dear recursive. And here's the path. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. So here we just use user. Simply user. And here, let's just use consts all the way. User dir. Like that. So, user dir. Save dir. in specify current recursion, the argument can be relative to the current directory or an absolute path. Okay. Whatever. It's fine. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. Open with now key. Reload. Restart. Now, update a local. Let me see. Seems like it didn't help. Close. I can't check it, okay. Files no. Closes 7. Still. Bye. Come on. Get current due. Result is 0. Make dir. Output. What? Okay, Okay, file is null. Okay. That's so stupid again. Oh. I'm... Wait. Oh. No, wait. No, no, no. Yeah, I'm stupid. It should be user. Yeah. What's the path? Users. What? What's the continue button? F12. Okay. It should be here. It should be here. But it's not. Um, We'll save user data to its own directory if application config is empty, OS user data directory, project name. It's not here, right? Why can't you just tell me the documents? I don't know. No. It should already exist. I don't know. Man. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Reload. Start. Close. Output is fucking empty. What's the point? Output. Roaming. Godot. Okay. Okay, it's here. And what's the problem? No problems. Thanks. Okay, open with notepad. Yep, no. That's just bytes. Can we store it in a more readable way? Because I want to. Probably. What the hell? It is here. Ah, okay. It's because I need to. Why not? Why it's not here? Okay, tile map data. Is it's stupid. It's stupid. But okay, whatever. I guess we'll just use Godot as a map editor as well, which actually sucks, I think. But we'll see. Okay. It works. It works, I guess. So, we made a simple map. We didn't research other types yet. And we have a dog. Okay, we can even save. At least we can save, if not load. Let's see if we can load it. To do this, we need to go here and just And let's see. Nope. We just... Yep. Nope. It's empty. That was... stupid. But let's see what you can save. Fuck, I do not load it anywhere. Yeah, my bad. My bad. Init. Not init, ready. Ready because we need all the childs of this node. All the children, man. What with your language? I need to sleep. I definitely need to sleep. Oh, okay. Okay. Nice. What is the ball you're returning? Or buffer stores the given array or bytes in the file. If an error occurs, the returning resulting value or the file position. Oh, okay. The resulting value of the file position indicator. No. It's not there. Okay. It returns bull. That's just result. And now it's empty again. Why? Right result is true. Okay. It does not load. We fucked it up. Already, it do so as a smart. Okay. Let's just try again. Let's just try again. Here's some files. Here they are. Here they are. Run. Oh. Yep. It will reset itself. Okay, we just commented. Run once. Close. It's saved. Now we uncommented. Run. Entering data. There is some. Well, okay, it's here. Then we close. Let's right result true. Okay, it closed. Run again. Nice. It works. It works. Let's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's paint something more pleasant. Mountains here. Some forest there. Nice. Don't deserialize. Run. Blocks. Close. Clear. I think we'll need a separate scene just to edit the maps. It will be like a map editor, our internal map editor. Okay, it works. I think I don't need these breakpoints anymore. Okay, let's release. Okay. Yep. It works. Nice. So I think that's enough for today. Next time I need to make a proper level editor, I guess, to avoid commenting the deserialize function every time. I need something proper that works just from the project, from the game. Not from the game, from the scene, let's say. And I still need to research this strange thing. Where is it? Where was it? Inspector? No. Tile sets. Physics and navigation. That's the ones. Maybe... Okay, there's not many types. Not as many as I thought. maybe I just need a custom node that will have all the parameters for a particular file. So it will be a setup like this. So we have this map node. It's the master node, and you access the map through it. And when you want to know what tile is it, it asks terrain to get the tile, and then it asks the custom node to provide parameters for this tile, and the custom node is either returns just the standard parameters for this kind of tile, or all the resources, all the custom changes that are stored in other files. Sounds like a plan. Okay, that's enough. For some reason, streams are cut off at the end, usually, so well, let's just wait a minute.